Story: The Rabbit and the Tortoise. Once upon a time there was a rabbit and a tortoise. They were good friends. The rabbit always boasted that he could run faster than the tortoise. So they decided to have a race. They chose a starting and the ending point. The rabbit ran really fast and soon left the tortoise far behind. He thought that tortoise is too slow and he can rest for a while. So he stopped under a tree. Meanwhile, Tortoise kept walking the whole time and reached the winning point. When the rabbit woke up, he saw that Tortoise has already won the race. Morale: slow and steady wins the race.